Welcome to my pack. Today we're tackling a serious issue that can affect any dog food poisoning. Just like humans, dogs can get sick from eating something bad, and it's our responsibility as pack leaders to know how to handle these situations. We're going deep into the world of canine food poisoning, covering everything from the causes and symptoms to the treatments and preventative measures you can take. We'll learn how to recognize the signs, understand the potential dangers, and most importantly, how to keep your furry family members safe. Remember, a calm and assertive pack leader is a well-informed one. So let's equip ourselves with the knowledge to protect our beloved companions. Dogs explore the world through their noses and mouths. This curiosity can lead to food poisoning. Bacterial contamination from leftovers or garbage is common. Harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli can cause illness. Toxic substances like chocolate, grapes, onions, and garlic are dangerous. Even certain plants and medications can be harmful. Spoiled food can harbor toxins. Food allergies and sensitivities are also important. Knowing the signs of food poisoning is crucial. Just like us, dogs have their own way of telling us when something is wrong. We just need to learn their language. One of the most common signs is gastrointestinal upset. We're talking vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, clear indicators that something's off. Your dog might seem lethargic, uninterested in their favorite activities, or even whimper or cry in pain. Keep a close eye on their stool and vomit. Blood in either is a serious red flag. It could indicate internal bleeding or a severe reaction to whatever they ingested. Remember, every dog is different and their reaction to food poisoning can vary. Some dogs might exhibit mild symptoms, while others might have a more severe reaction. The moment you suspect food poisoning, contact your veterinarian immediately. Time is of the essence when it comes to these situations. Treatment often involves addressing the dehydration caused by vomiting and diarrhea. Fluid therapy, administered intravenously, helps replenish those lost fluids and electrolytes, giving your dog's body the support it needs to recover. In some cases, your vet might induce vomiting to flush out the toxins. They might also administer activated charcoal to absorb any remaining poison in the stomach. Anti-nausea medication can help alleviate vomiting and make your dog more comfortable. Depending on the severity of the situation, antibiotics might be necessary to combat bacterial infections. Throughout the treatment, your dog needs constant monitoring and supportive care. While professional veterinary care is essential, there are things you can do at home to aid in your dog's recovery. After a bout of vomiting or diarrhea, withhold food for a few hours to give their digestive system a break. Then slowly reintroduce a bland diet, think boiled chicken and rice. These easily digestible foods are gentle on their stomach. Keep fresh water available at all times to prevent dehydration. If your dog isn't drinking enough, try adding some low-sodium broth to make it more enticing. Observe your dog closely and monitor their vomiting and diarrhea. Note the frequency, color, and consistency, and report these details to your veterinarian. Keep your dog calm and rested. A stress-free environment can significantly aid in their recovery. Look, sometimes food poisoning can escalate quickly, so knowing when to rush to the vet can be life-saving. If your dog's symptoms are severe or persistent, don't wait it out. If the vomiting or diarrhea lasts for more than 24 hours, if your dog seems severely lethargic or depressed, or if you notice blood in their stool or vomit, it's time to go to the emergency vet. Similarly, if your dog shows signs of neurological problems like seizures, tremors, or disorientation, immediate veterinary attention is critical. Remember, you know your dog best. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it's always better to err on the side of caution and consult with your vet. Food poisoning is a risk we face as dog owners, but by taking preventative measures and knowing how to react, we can keep our furry companions safe. Just like we train our dogs with consistency and boundaries, we need to be consistent in providing them with a healthy and safe environment. That means feeding them a high-quality diet, avoiding table scraps, storing food properly, and keeping toxic substances out of their reach. Remember, a healthy and happy dog starts with a responsible and informed pack leader. You got this. Remember, prevention is key. Feed your dog a high-quality diet, avoid table scraps, keep food fresh, and steer clear of toxic substances. Always consult with a veterinarian for professional advice.